What's up, guys and gals? I'm back trying to get another scrape, just a little bit of more luck out of an Optic product. I've had such good luck with Optic that I went back and got some baseball, hoping to, hey, who knows, maybe even pull an Ohtani autograph out of here. I know it's not the same as it would have been when this stuff first came out, but it still would be a nice card to have. He's not gone forever. When the new season starts, Ohtani fever probably will return. Maybe not to the level it was before, but to some level, to some degree. So, since I've had such luck with the football, I thought, why not go back and open some baseball? The price has come down some since it first was released. So no harm in opening a couple more of these just for fun. Alright, let's get into it. Sandberg, Sanchez, King Griffey Jr. out of this world. Herrera. Fulmer, Benintendi, a Chipper Jones blue to $2.99, and Vieira rated rookie. That is badly cut. Look at the, I don't know if you can see it in this light. It's really got a janky edge. Marza, Bellinger, All-Stars, Year in Review, Adrian Beltre, and Dustin Fowler. Giancarlo Kershaw, Rosario, rated rookie, and Andrew McCutchen. Greinke, Schwarber, Red Thunder, Clint Frazier, Miguel Andujar. Decent pack there. McCutchen, Benintendi, Ryan Braun, Silver, and Miggy. So we've got an autograph here. There's Glaber in the back. Ryan Braun. Tavares, rated prospect. You don't see a bunch of those. And Chris Flexen. Just a plain, not numbered, not fancy autograph. Boo. Although some Chris Flexen fan right now saying, forget you. Kirby Puckett, Trey Turner, Tyler Wade, Silver, rated rookie, and Chris Archer. I'm sorry, Chris Flexen fan. I apologize. Goldschmidt, Stanton, Andujar, the Bronx version, and Kingery. Barry Larkin, Kluber, Jonathan Gray, Parallel, and Adam Wainwright. I don't feel right now as good about this box as I did the last one of these I opened. I was pulling some good stuff like right out of the gate. Who knows? Still got a lot of packs. Sano, Hernandez, Ryan Sandberg, red. That's a good, cool card. Zach Granite. Kyle Seager, Brian Dozier, McCutchen, Diamond King Silver, and Paul Blackburn. My rated rookies this time around have not been nearly as good as the last box, so I think that's where I'm not feeling the love. Verlander, Altuve, Calhoun, and Beltre. Yeah, definitely not the same as the last box. George Brett, Springer, Mound Marvel, Syndergaard, and Justin Boy. Jonathan Gray, All-Stars, Gary Sanchez, Chris Archer parallel, Guzman. Okay, great. Hercules in through these packs. Machado, Aaron Judge, All-Stars, Cody Bellinger, Silver, and Gohara. Well, if this box has been Stinksville, I hope this other autograph is decent. Gallo, Archer. Well, there's an Aaron Judge red. It's not like the best thing in the world, but it's pretty good to 99. Syndergaard. This is our other autograph. It is. So we'll go ahead and do these last two packs and then check that out. Maybe we'll end on a high note. DeGrom, Bellinger, Altuve, Delmonico. Jones, Segura, a Griffey looking back. Griffey Jr. and Senior, and Salvador Perez. Alright. Kershaw, Ahmed Rosario, Bryce Harper, and a Kevin Martin. Oh, that is good. Although it's got some kind of blue something on the back, but this is a really good card. It's numbered out of 35. So we definitely ended on a high note. Although I'm not sure what these little blue dots. Looks like ink. He must have signed these cards and like been tossing it down onto the next card. That's funny. So definitely did end on a high note. Good prospect, and it's the red parallel, so sweet. I guess my optic luck does continue. Not much other value in the box. Definitely not a strong box. Very weak otherwise, but this redeems it all. So there we go. My optic luck is still there. I don't know what to do. Do I get some more baseball? I think I'm probably gonna go back to football, and it's hard not to after pulling such 3 great pulls out of there. It's hard not to just keep going back to it. Although that luck just cannot last forever. It just can't. So anyways, I'm gonna quit babbling. Hope everybody's having a great week. Everybody take care of yourself and others around you. And hope you are all well. And thank you for watching and all that jazz. Alright, bye guys. Talk to you later.